If you need to block someone on Shopify, whether it's a customer or a user, follow these straightforward steps to ensure you manage your store effectively. Step 1. Log into your Shopify admin. Access your Shopify account by entering your credentials at the Shopify login page. Once logged in, you will be directed to your admin dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to the Customers section. In the left-hand menu, locate and click on the Customers tab. This section contains all the customer accounts associated with your store. Step 3. Find the customer you want to block. Scroll through the list of customers or use the search bar to find a specific customer you wish to block. Click on their name to open their profile. Step 4. Block the customer. Within the customer's profile, look for the option to block or disable their account. This may be labeled as Block Customer or similar. Confirm your choice if prompted. Step 5. Save changes. After blocking the customer, ensure that you save any changes made to their profile. This will finalize the blocking process and prevent the customer from making future purchases. By following these steps, you can effectively block unwanted customers from your Shopify store. Remember to review your customer list periodically to manage your store effectively.